Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your font size for Messenger. This works for Android devices. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, what you need to do is head over to your settings app on your mobile device. Settings app, scroll down a touch and then click into display. And then from here, scroll down and where it says font size and style, tap into that. And then you've got a slider down below here, so move this slider left to right to increase your font size. So I want to make it about that, I reckon. So now if I go back into Messenger, the font size inside Messenger app should be a lot bigger. So there you go guys. So this works great if you've got issues seeing smaller font and you need to increase it to make your life a little bit easier. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to increase font size for Messenger. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.